Hey, so, okay, I know I've been gone for a good little while, but I'm back now. So, what about it? But, today I'm gonna be telling y'all, like, basically, how to start your own business as a teenager for real. Because I know most of y'all have seen me doing selling candy grapes, selling candy fruit, all any type of dessert, almost any type of dessert you want. So I'm gonna give y'all a little rundown on how to make money as a teenager and all of that. I'm not gonna tell y'all specifically how to start your I can, but like I will, but it's just I gotta. You can. I'm gonna put my website down in the description, and if you want to know how to start your candy fruit business, it's gonna be in the description down below. So first of all is when you starting a business, you gotta make sure that that's really what you want to do. You gotta put your mind to it. That's really what you want to do. Like literally, if that's what you want to do it. Like don't sit around and wait on anybody or anything like that. Just do it. Like get it done with, get it over with, for real, for real. So if it was me and I wanted to start a business and well, I already got a business. Say like I'm y'all and y'all want to start a business. Okay, me thinking in my head, oh, I want to do this and I want to do that, or I want to do this and I want to do that. Well, first of all, baby, you gotta know exactly what you want to do, and then on top of that, you gotta look up ideas on that product or on that type of business that you want to do. Like, don't just sit there and not do it. Do it. Put your mindset to it that you want to do it and do it. Like, get it over with and do it for real. But I'm finna give y'all some tips on what y'all can do as a teenager to make money. So first of all, you can babysit now because some of y'all too young. So first of all, watch you can wash cars obviously. For starts in the house, in your house, you can get paid for doing the chores like cleaning up the house and clean up clean up y'all house, and ask your mom and dad to give you allowance for that. Like that's something that y'all couldn't do, and like that's simple. But you gotta make sure that I know, cause I know some of y'all don't like cleaning up. So for money, like I see, like it's money for real, for real. Like y'all will do it because y'all getting paid for it, and that'll help y'all. So y'all can do that. I'm pretty sure some of y'all do still do it, but either way it go, y'all are going to do it, and y'all ain't gonna hesitate about it for real. Either way it go, y'all still gonna make the money. Y'all gonna do whatever, literally. But either way it go though, you can make money. You can do your chores. You can wash cars. You can literally. Then you can sell little bracelets. You can start a business selling bracelets like these, like the one I have on. You can sell those, and they'll be so cute, and they will sell. Like, don't just push it to the point that you don't want to do it no more because it's not selling or anything like that. Don't do that. Yeah, you can do bracelets. You can sell like lip gloss. You can do lip gloss bundles with like little scrunchies and lip gloss and stuff like that in there. You can what I finna say? I was finna say something. Oh, you can sell necklaces like these. You can find you a vendor to sell necklaces like these. You can sell lashes, eyelashes. I know I sell eyelashes and I sell these bracelets that I got on. You can do that. You can. It's plenty of things you can do. You just gotta look for it and you gotta find it. Like, it's not that bad. Like, as long as you put your mind to it, get into it, whatever you want to do, that's all it takes. You gotta put your mind to it though. Yeah, like sell things that you want to sell. Don't go and start selling purses because purses is high. Now it's summertime. You can sell sunglasses. You can sell tank top. You can sell crop tops. You can sell shorts. You can sell pants. Now it's gonna be too hot for pants. You can sell shorts. You can sell crop tops. You can sell t-shirts. You can sell oversized t-shirts. All that type of stuff. All that type of stuff will help you to start your business. That's something to start you off with to get you going.
For watering everything else,
especially if you little like me. I'm 17. I started my business and I'm 17 years old. All you gotta do is get it done. Get it done. Like, start your business. Don't wait until it's too late. Let me turn this TV off. Like, don't wait till you 20 to start doing something. Like, get it done then. Don't wait. Do not wait. I was working people say a 9 to 5. I could say I was working a 9 to 5. I was working a 9 to 5. I quit that. While I was working at McDonald's, I stopped working at McDonald's. Like, I was literally at the cash register in the back. I was doing the cashier. In the front, at the drive-thru window, I was doing it. I sat back there. Like, all of a sudden, it came to my mind. Like, I was thinking. And then I was on my phone, too. I was like, so all of a sudden I was on TikTok in the back in the thing, and all of a sudden it came across my phone about candy fruits. So I was just like, okay, I'm gonna try to make these candy fruits and see what they do. And then once I tried them and they turned out good, and plus I kept thinking about it. Like, that was all what was on my mind was making candy fruits, making candy fruits, making candy fruits. So all of a sudden I just started doing it, and then all of a sudden I got that one sale, and then they started sharing it, and ever since then, baby, it been going up and up and up and up and up. Like, it's no playing about it. Like, all you got to do is put your mind to it, what you want to do. Like, literally, what you want to do. Like, I'm giving y'all ideas of what you can do. You can sell bracelets. Like I said, you can sell bracelets. You can sell mink lashes. You can sell necklaces. You can sell anklets. Yeah, that's another thing. You can sell anklets. You can do all of that. You can sell these wig bands. You can sell anything. Like, sell it, but don't just start online. I know a lot of people tell y'all to start online. Do not start online first. Start in your community, in your town, in your city. And make sure that you post the content. Posting content and getting that content out there, that's what's going to help you. Like, look, that's what's going to help you. So start there. Do not go and buy no online store to start selling online. Don't do that. Because this is going to make it worse. Like, because you don't know if it's going to sell. You don't know nothing. You'll be buying an online store and you wasting your money. Just start in your city, start in your town, do all of that, and then make sure you post the content, share the content to your friends, your family members. At school, you can go to school, start selling snacks. You can go to school, start selling chips, drinks, and all that. Because you know them schoolhouses, they still be high because they just want money. Like, that's all you gotta do. Like, put your mind to what you want to do and start doing it right then. Like, don't wait. Do not wait. Do not wait. When I tell you don't wait. And then when you start posting on, like, post on TikTok, post on Snapchat, post on Facebook, well, some of y'all teenagers don't got Facebook. Post on Instagram, post on Snapchat, post on all that. But make sure the quality is good. Make sure you are consistent. Make sure you are consistent and you ready to do it. You ready to post. Like, do all of that. And your stuff will start to grow. Your business will start to grow. Don't sit there and wait. Do not sit there and wait. Please don't. Like, you will literally you will never know how much support you will get by starting a small business. You never know. You never know. So, like I was saying, you can start today. Don't wait. Do not wait. Get up. Start today. Go online and research what you want to do. Just start. Start somewhere. Like, you don't got to work on nobody's clock to make money. You do not got to work on anybody's clock. Like, you do not got to do that. Start somewhere. Start smart. Start today. Do not wait. When I tell y'all don't wait, don't wait. But this is mainly a talking, giving y'all a few suggestions on what to do. Just start, baby. That's all I can say. Just start. Just start. Just start. But like I was saying, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on the post notification bells, because I'm back, and I'm finna go crazy. Y'all might see, I might give y'all a little glimpse of what I be making and all this and that. But yeah, like, y'all gotta start somewhere. Start today. Don't wait till the next day. Start now. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys.